All right, folks, just wanted to record a quick video. This is part 2 of the homework that is due on Wednesday, September the 10th. And what they've done here is they've given us the graph of b of x. I've drawn that right here, solid line. And then it says graph the functions listed below. And the functions are c of x, which is b of x minus 2 plus 3. Then you have d of x, which is c of x plus 5 minus 6. And then, of course, on the paper, we also have e of x. I'll just do c of x and then talk through the rest. So the equation for c of x is b of x minus 2 plus 3. We've got to see this kind of annotating on the problem, folks. So this plus 3, everybody should know this is a vertical transformation. It is a shift, and we're going up 3 units. Remember, if it's vertical, we do exactly what it says. This right here, this is inside the parentheses. It must be horizontal. It's also a shift. I'm going right by 2 units because remember, I do the opposite of what it says. This says minus, I do the opposite, which means I go right. So let me see what that looks like on the plot. This point right here, which before was negative 3, 0, I want to go right 2 units, so it's at negative 1. I go up 3 units, it's at 3. This point right here used to be at negative 2, 0. I go right 2 units, I'm at 0. I go up 3 units, I'm at 3. Hence the dotted line connecting. Now, the original graph had a point 0, 2. I want to go, remember, every point is right 2 units, 0, 2, so now we're here, and then we go up 3, right there, 2, 5. The dotted line is just used to draw the new function, which is c of x. And then I continue. I have a point 2, 0, which will become, go right 2 units, that's 4, go up 3 units, that's 3, so that's right here. And finally, the last point I have is 4, 2. I go right 2 units, which gets me to 6. I go up 3 units, which gets me to 5. And there you have it. This dotted line is the c of x function. So all I did is to every single point, I went right by 2 units, and I went up by 3. Now, they next give me an equation for d of x. And notice, d of x is a function of c of x, not b of x. So if I was drawing my graph, I would write right here, b of x, and this is c of x. So I've got b of x and c of x. So now when I'm going to draw d of x, I want to see it is a shift on the dotted function. So the transformations here, whatever transformations you find this as, this is horizontal, I'll tell you this is vertical, you want to apply them to the c graph. We don't care about b anymore. In class, I did the exact opposite kind of problem. In class, I said focus on this one because all the transformations were of the original. Now we are transforming the transformed graph. I want to step back a little bit, zoom out, and just review. We have b of x right here. Then we have c of x. We annotated it. We said it's right 2 units, it's up 3 units. We shifted every point to get c of x. And now we're going to do the same thing for d of x. And d of x is a transformation of c of x. Let me zoom out one last time.